We are loading the truck today, basically our last night in the house. So far, this is what we have in the dining room. I'm on my way to the Dollar Tree because I'm gonna get some more packing tape and some twine. Everything is just stressful right now. We're just at that point in packing where it's like there's a bunch of miscellaneous bullshit, for lack of a better term. Feels like we're just going in circles and everything is just stressful. It's not just the moving, it's just everything that's been going on in general for the past few months. All of this is over. There's still a long road ahead. Thinking about that long road is like difficult. Yeah, we made it this far and it's fine, obviously, like we've made it this far, so that's great. But just the thought of like, okay, but we still have so long to go. I don't know. We'll get through it. We'll figure it out. We always do. That's what we've always done. This is absolutely a journey. And the content is gonna be contenting, so know that. I could not find twine in Dollar Tree, so I am just gonna go to the hardware store.